Okay, students. Now we are discussing admission of a partner, and we are discussing here calculation of new profit sharing ratio, including new partner. Okay, we are understanding here calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing or gaining ratio. So now the case is, suppose if you have given new ratio, new share of new partner, or we can say share of new partner, and also we have given new profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio of old partners. If we have given share of new partner, जो नया partner admit हो रहा है, for what share he is admitting in the firm, that is given, and what will be the new profit sharing ratio of the old partners only. So what you need to calculate here, you need to calculate again new profit sharing ratio. अभी भी हमें new profit sharing ratio ही निकालना है. अब आप मुझसे कहेंगे सर ऑलरेडी न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो दे तो रखा है, फिर हम दोबारा क्यों निकालेंगे? अब जो निकालना है हमें बेटा, अभी तक जो हमें देखा है वो देखा है सिर्फ ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. ओके, बट नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो ऑफ ओल्ड प्लस न्यू पार्टनर. ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के साथ न्यू पार्टनर जो एंटर हो गया उसके बाद हमारा क्या नया रेशियो बन गया, दैट वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट. Okay, so how we will calculate, we'll understand here. We are taking one example. Suppose A, B, C are partners and their profit sharing ratio was 1:1:1, equally half. They are entering a new partner, that is D, for suppose 1/4 share in the profit. Okay, and new profit sharing ratio of old partner, that is ABC, is given suppose 3:2:1. This is the question with us. देखिए ये इस केस को फुलफिल कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है. The new ratio, the share of new partner is given as well as the new profit sharing ratio of the old partner is given. यही हम केस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो how we will solve in this kind of case? इस तरीके का कोई केस होगा तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? You know, let total share of a firm, एक बिजनेस का टोटल शेयर कितना होता है, मान लें 1. ओके, रिमेनिंग डालता हूं मैं, रिमेनिंग आफ्टर द न्यू पार्टनर 1 में से आउट ऑफ 1 वी हैव गिवन 1/4 शेयर. एक शेयर टोटल शेयर था मेरे पास, उसमें से 1/4 वी हैव गिवन टू न्यू पार्टनर, वो उसको दे दिया. तो अब जो आपके पास शेयर बचा, दैट इज 3/4, दिस इज रिमेनिंग शेयर, और दिस रिमेनिंग शेयर विल बी शेयर्ड बाय द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. अब ये ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के लिए सही तो रहेगा. सपोज द फर्म इज हैविंग 100 rupees and the new partner is coming for 10 rupees. It means 90 rupees is available for the old partner because out of 100 10 is given to the new partner. So what share will be shared by the old partners, that is remaining after the new partner, or that is 90. So this is the remaining share which is to be shared by the old partner. And in what ratio this will be shared, that is given to us, that is 3:1. वो हमें दे रखा है. तो what will be the new share of A? A का new share क्या होगा? 3/4, that is 3/6. 3/4 का 3/6 part, that is 9/24. Okay, B share, B का new share क्या होगा? 3/4 का 2/6, that is 6/24. And C is new, what will be the C is new share? That is 3/4 into 1/6, that is 3/24. So this is the new ratio of the old partners. Okay, and one new partner is also there. One new partner I'm also having. That new partner is D, and D's ratio is given, that is 1/4. Up to equalize the denominator, we can multiply 6 in denominator side as well as in numerator side. दोनों साइड 6 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, so you will be getting 6/24. तो अब आप देखेंगे चारों पार्टनर्स के शेयर का जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो क्या हो गया, सेम हो गया. So the new ratio between A, B, C, D, it is very easy to find out now. That is 9:6:3:6. This is the new ratio of the new partners. The new ratio of the new partners. Now the case number 3. Again, one more case I am having. Case 3. Case 3 का क्या है बेटा? You have given, आपको given होगा old ratio of the partners. Second given होगा आपको share of new partner. And this share, whatever the share of new partner is given, in what ratio he is gaining from the existing partner. So the ratio of old partner, you can say sacrificing ratio, is also given. This sacrificing ratio may be equal or some else. आपको old ratio given है, when old ratio of the firm is given, as well as the share of new partner is given, and in what ratio he is gaining this share from the existing partner. किस ratio में ये वो gain कर रहा है वो भी given है. So how you will calculate the new profit sharing ratio? फिर आप new profit sharing ratio कैसे निकालेंगे? Calculate क्या करना है आपको? New profit sharing ratio including new partner. Okay, example लेते हैं. For example, ABC are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. D is entered into a partnership, for example, for 1/3 share, and D is gaining this 1/3 share from ABC in equal ratio. Okay, so this equal ratio is what? Sacrificing ratio of ABC, because D is gaining the share in equal from every partner, so it means every partner is equally sacrificing the share for D. So sacrificing ratio is equal. It is given in the question. Now what you need to calculate is sacrifice. Actually, A ने कितना sacrifice किया? 1/3 total. It is given by ABC, and out of this 1/3, 1/3 उसका भी 1/3 according to the share. Who has given A? तो कितना शेयर हो गया इसका? 1/9. सेम B का भी sacrifice कितना होगा? 1/3 into 1/3, that is 1/9, and C is also sacrificed 1/3 into 1/3, that is 1/9. So every partner has given the equal share. This we know. This is given in the question. Now we need to find out the new ratio of all the partners, that is A, B, C, D. The new ratio, formula for new ratio, you know this thing very well. That is old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Old ratio was sacrifice ratio, what are? So you will get the new ratio. So I am here calculating the A's new share. The A's new ratio will be old ratio of A, that is 3/6, और उसमें से उसका sacrifice कितना किया? 1/9. अब अगर कॉमन निकालेंगे 54, that is 19/54, so 21/54. B is new, B का new क्या होगा 2/6 minus 1/9 again 54 that is 12/54. C का new क्या होगा बेटा the old ratio of C is 1/6 and 1/9 share he is sacrificing, that is 3/54 the new share of C, and D is new is that is given 1/3 and 54 करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा इसको 17 18 that is 18/54. ठीक है, so the new ratio of A B C D you can say 21/12/3/18 and the whole part can be cut by 3. चारों को 3 से कट कर सकते हैं. So the ratio can be 7/4/1/6. This will be the answer. So you will solve in this manner if suppose this case is given to you. Now the case is when new partner is getting a share from old partners, or we can say existing partners in a particular ratio. This is similar as the last previous discussed case. Only difference is कि last it was given it is equal. Now a particular ratio will be given to you. Okay. So I'm considering one example. Suppose X, Y are partner and sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Suppose Z is coming for as a new partner and he is coming for example, I can say 1/4 share. Okay. And he is taking this 1/4 share from X and Y, and X and Y is giving this share in the ratio of 2:1. So here in the question itself, it is given XY sacrificing ratio is 2:1. X and Y is sacrificing in the ratio of 2:1. So how we will solve? In the same, X sacrifice, X ने कितना sacrifice किया? 1/4 का वो 2/3 पार्ट दे रहा है X. So X is sacrificing 2/12 share. Am I right? Y is sacrificing what share? The Y is sacrificing 1/4 into 1/3, that is 1/12. So X is giving 2/12 share, whereas Y is giving 1/12 share. Fine. Now the next thing is X new. What the new ratio of X, Y, Z? Now we will calculating this thing, and you know new ratio is old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. The new ratio of X, old ratio of X is 3/5, and out of that 2/12 they have given to Z. Sacrifice 60 we can consider as LCM. So 26/60. Okay. Y का न्यू क्या होगा 2/5 minus 1/12. Again we will consider 60 as LCM. 5/12 is 60, 12 to the 24, 12 5 this is 5 9, and 24 minus 5 this is 19/60. And Z का न्यू that is given, that is 1/4. Only convert the numerator, that is 60. Okay. तो 60 करने के लिए 15 multiplied by 15. So 15/60 we can say. So the new ratio of X by Z will be 26/19/15. This is the answer. This is the same case which we have earlier just discussed.